What is up, guys? I will teach you how to download Minecraft, but I already have it, Minecraft PE, for free. Just go on Google and search Hi App here, and it will show that. And please pick the third one because it's the only one that's working. See that? And you can also download Minecraft Story Mode for free, and this, but you don't want us to press the other two. You just press this, and this, it will show there. It's showing, right? And then uh, and then free download, and here it will ask you something. 6269 6 wait, let's see. 6269. Submit it, but don't press the done because it will not download. Now it will download, but it will show this. It will download on your files. So that's it, guys. You'll able to download your Minecraft for free. Subscribe and please